Hello and welcome to ProfitBot community. And as a newbie, as someone that just joined this community for the first time, I'm very sure that you'll be needing some level of guidance and to be shown what to do. And that is the reason why I'm creating this video for you. And in this video, you're going to be shown how to create your account using this link here. You're going to be shown how to set up your account. We're going to learn how to fund your account, how to send your account ID so that your account is going to be connected to the ProfitBot, understanding signals, and how to trade. All right, so that's what the essence of this video is. So now, let's just go straight to it without wasting much time, because I don't want this video to be more than 5 minutes, max 10 minutes. So the first thing you want to do is to actually watch this video to the end, right? So when you've watched this video to the end, the next thing you want to do is to create your account. Now, this link that you see here I'll always send it to the community, all right? But I just brought it here so that you're going to see what the link looks like. So what you want to do is, when you click on this link like this, let me copy it and put it in another tab. But when it is in the community, once you click on it, this is what the interface is going to look like. All right, this is what the interface will look like. All right, very good. Now this is what it will look like either on your phone or on your desktop computer. This is what it's going to look like. So what you want to do first is to click on where it is written sign up. Where it is written sign up is what you want to click on. This place, you click on sign up, or where they write get started for free, right? So these are the two places you want to click on immediately. Now if I click on, let's click on sign up. Let's click on sign up. And now this is where it's going to take you to, where you do what? Start trading. Look at it here. You click on start trading. And then, now since I already have an account here, it is going to take me straight to my dashboard. All right, I already have an account. It's going to take me straight to my dashboard. But if you don't have an account, all you're going to fill is your email and your password, right? Your email and your password. And after filling the details, it is going to bring you to this kind of interface. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to navigate this interface. All right. Now, the next thing you want to do is setting up your account. Setting up your account, which is number 2. So when it brings you to this kind of interface, now the first thing you want to know here is that there are two. There is the real account and the practice account. Now this one is for you to practice until you get good, while this one is where the real money is being made. All right. So now when you come and click on the real account, now the first thing I want you to do is to come here and take note of this 30 seconds expiration. Right? You change it to 5 minutes. Right? You come here. This candle, this one should always be in 5 minutes. Most of the time, since your account is a new account, it's going to be in 5 seconds. So you want to change it to 5 minutes always. Please don't forget, it should always be in 5 minutes. All right, then you come here, your candlestick. Now, normally, since your account is new, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. But now it is your duty to change it to candles. This first one is okay. Change it to candles, and it's going to automatically change by itself. All right, 5 minutes. Now, your chart should be candles. Exactly. Have you seen that it has changed? Now, these are the things you have to know in setting up your account. All right. Now, the next thing you want to do is how to fund your account and then send me your account ID. I'll show you how to get your account ID. Now, let's say this is your account and then you want to fund your account. Now, what you want to do is when you click here, whether with your phone or with your laptop, you click on deposit. And when you click on deposit, you see where they wrote a recommended bank transfer, MasterCard, Visa. But then you can also make your deposit with Bitcoin, USD Coin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, and the rest. But then the recommended ones for Nigerians mostly is bank transfer. So when you click on bank transfer, this is Nigerian Naira, and you click on next. All right. Now, if you feel whatever amount you want to put here, let's say you want to put 1 million Naira, right? When you do that, you don't have a promo code. You come here and you tick on I hereby accept the terms and condition, and you proceed to payment. Now it's going to send you the account details and the bank that you're going to make the transfer to. And once you make the transfer to the bank details and the account number that is sent to you, it's going to reflect your account. And this is the bank, Globus Bank, and this is the account number. All right. Now when you copy this account number, you choose Globus Bank and make this transfer, whatever amount you choose to use to start your trading journey. That is what is going to reflect here in your account. Let's open up. Let me show you. It is going to reflect here in your account. It's still good. It's going to reflect here in your real account. Remember, this is your real account. It's going to reflect here. All right. So that is the very simple way in funding your account. Now, understanding signals. So I brought this here. Now, this is an example of how the signals is going to come. This is an example. Now, the first thing you want to do is to take note of everything that is here. Now, the first thing that is written here is EURCAD-OTC. You come to your account, you look for EURCAD-OTC. Now, this is it. But if you don't see this, look at it here, EURCAD-OTC. If you don't see it, you want to come to open this asset and search for it. EUR/CAD OTC. Now look at it here. You tap on it. It's already there. No need of getting it twice. But I only did that for you to see how you can bring it up here. All right. Now that is it. Now let's go back to the chart. Now entry 5 minutes. Entry 5 minutes. So what do you want to do? This is here the expiration. You change it to what? 5 minutes. Like I said, you should always look at this. This is very important, and that's why it comes with, it comes with the signal. All right. Entry time 9:22 p.m. Entry time 9:22 p.m. So you have to be looking at your time. All right. You have to be looking at your time. If it is once it's 9:22 p.m., you enter the trade. Now this is direction sell. Now what does sell means? This is sell. It comes with the red icon. You see this red icon? It means sell, which is the downside. So the red one is sell. If here is green, if this place that is red now is green, what you want to do is to come and tap on the higher, which is the buy. All right. I hope that is clear. So this is sell and this is buy. All right. So this particular one, martingale level. Now, what does martingale level means? Martingale level means once you enter a trade, right, by 9:22, and the trade doesn't enter or you don't win the trade. Now, for level one, what you want to do is to increase your amount. Let's say you enter the trade with $100 for the original trade and you didn't win the trade. What you want to do is to double this amount, 200, for level 1 martingale level, and do what? And go on the same direction. Now, this is the sell, right? So martingale level 1, you increase what? You double the amount and you see what? Click on sell. If you still don't win the trade, you go to martingale level 2 and what? You still increase this by the double of it, which is what? Which is 400, and you still what? Go in the same direction. Now you agree with me that there is no how we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, that we are not going to win the trade. At the end of the day, we are always in profit. This is what I was telling a lot of you in the community, that our losses are as little as 3%, while our signal wins is as high as 97%. Because when you do this, you always come to make a lot of profit. All right, so that is how to trade. And in a nutshell, I've showed you how to create your account. This is the link to create your account. It's always in the community. Setting up your account, I tell you what to do here. You change this to 5 minutes time frame. You also change what? Your chart type to be like this. And then the next thing you want to do is how to fund your account. You go there, you fund your account, you click on this guy, click on deposit, and it is going to show you bank transfer and all that. And you fund your account. Now, understanding signals, this is it. You know where to get euro. This is Canadian dollars OTC from here. While this one is expiry time, 5 minute expiry, which is expiration. Look at it here. Let's go back so that I'll show it to you. Oh, okay. That expiry time. Let this load up. Let it load up. This expiry time. Always look at it. Make sure it's in 5 minutes, and then the direction is sell. Anytime you see green here, know that it is this green, which is buy. If you see the red, know that it is sell, this lower. All right. Then the martingale levels means if this original trade doesn't enter, you double the amount and enter the second one in the same direction. If this level 1 doesn't enter, you double the amount again and you do what? You enter the second martingale level. If the second martingale level doesn't go in the same direction, you do what? You double the amount and enter in the third direction. Thank you very much for joining the community. Thank you for giving me the privilege and the honor to be your Forex trader mentor. And I wish you all success and more millions of dollars in our account.